Festival 2024. It's my honor to be part of this event. And thank you, Sir Rex, nag-invite sa akin. And also to our beloved mayor, Belen Fernandez, thank you so much. And sa lahat po ng participant. Today, let's level up our culinary skills and ipakilala pa natin ng, to the world and to the level up yung ating bangus. So, get ready for the competition. We will judge later. Nakita ko na yung bawat stated area ng mga school. So, good luck on you guys. And let's do this. So, ngayon, I just demonstrate. Gagawa lang ko ng konting dish regarding this Knorr. Gagamitin natin ng Knorr. By the way, thank you so much for our main sponsor, Knorr Philippines. Ayan, thank you po sa inyo. And huwag na natin patagalin. Let's start the cooking. Let's go. Stock and broth. Meron tayong product from broth. And so what's the difference between stock and broth? Pag sinabing stock, yun yung natural. Pag sinabing so, yun yung made from scratch with a natural mirco. Pag sinabing mirco, yun yung carrot, celery, and onion, and then you will boil with the meat bones or fish stock or vegetables. Okay? So we will blanch the vegetables. By the way, thank you for our sponsor. Agas natin. Okay? Liquid seasoning into the pot. So, allow to cook next 5 to 7 days. Kapag niluto natin yung niready na natin yung next step. Add also the mushroom. This mushroom is frozen mushroom. will add also the mushroom sa other side. Para mag-penetrate yung aroma and the flavor profile of the dish na pagkakas. So you can, when it comes to cooking, you can create any dish you want. It's a matter of your preference. Kailangan creativity and paano mo gagamitin yung purpose that you have when you are cooking. So, I fear now that the quiz of bangus is a different stage of creation. So, mamaya magiging natin yung dish na ginawa natin. And now we will flip the bangus. So, meron na siyang color. Lulubay natin na last is yung mashed potato plating. Then I will add also the chocolate.
Neil Sampalo.
Magbagus sisig at gumamit ng more liquid seasoning pampatak sarap. Thank you so much to our sponsors.
SEI and of course, Pinsan Colleges. Excited na ako, partner, kasi first time ko lang makaka-attend sa ganitong celebration, sa ganitong competition. At medyo naamoy ko na yung niluluto ni Chef Don Queen. Medyo naamoy niya na ba? Parang mahina. Nagugutom na ba kayo? Ayan, excited na ako sila, partner.
And of course, later on, we will be having also our free food tasting po sa ating mga booth. So stay tuned lang po tayo. And of course, sila po na aking mga visitors mula sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas. Of course, ang ating mga kababayan na nagbabayad dito po sa ating resort na lupa.
Ayan, gusto rin man natin chikahin or kausapin si Chef. Medyo busy-busy pa sila para ma-perfect nila ang kanilang presentation. So why don't we have a roll call muna per participating university? Ipalakasan ito, guys, ha? Kaya natin pararamdaman yung supportan nyo sa school nyo. So, may we hear from the University of Quezon.
Of course, papatalo po ba ang LSU Northwestern University?
Ayan, medyo nakilala sa cheer. Pero syempre hindi rin papatalo mamaya sa kanilang food tasting. Nasa naman ang mga from Universidad de Dagupan.
And of course, nasa din po ang ating mga pambato mula sa Philippine College of Science and Technology.
Matipatipang tira. Syempre, papatalo ba ang SEI?
And of course, completing our 6 participating teams, we have the Pinsan Colleges. Yes, there you have it. At syempre, partner natin naman, hawak na natin ang problema nila na maiuwi mamaya-maya lamang dahil malalaman po natin kung sino nga po ba
Ready?
ang ating winners for this Bagusin 2024.
At ayan, nagsabi na ng ready ang ating pogi-pogi chef na si Chef Don.
There you have it. Thank you so much to our guest, Chef. We have Chef Don Queen de Guzman.
And also thank you for our sponsor, of course, the North. And sa lahat ng mga sponsor natin ngayon, thank you so much. And also our Shireen Petron Gas, thank you po sa inyong mga sponsor ngayon. And ito na po yung dish na ginawa ko from the North. And kung ano yung available na materials na dito with cream. It's a pan-seared Asian bangus sa atin, and it's it with mashed potato. So, yan yung one potato, already basic. Potato, cream, butter, salt, and pepper. And the pan-seared, mas okay siguro kung gagamitin ko yung scratch na bangus siya, na fresh one, without any marination. But since binigyan dito, I just adjusted the flavor profile para mas mangibabaw yung lasa. Okay? And then the broccoli is a blanched broccoli and sauté. And the mushroom also, I also blanched in Noor. And then I sauté also in the pan for the final baking. So thank you so much. And yeah, simple and easy recipe by Chef DK. And by the way, I will opening my first restaurant dito sa Boracay, which is Italian restaurant, Mamma Mia. Yun, because I'm working with Mandarin Premier Hotel. So sana, masyal kayo doon, you can visit my restaurant. I'm the one who create all the menu from the scratch. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Rex. Okay.
And thank you so much, Chef DK, for gracing our beloved city. And of course, Chef, may tanong po sila. Pag po ba nag-discount po ba ang mga dagupen nyo? Of course, ng Poso. Huwag na pala masyahan i-visit ang iyong open na restaurant ng ating poging chef.
Ready na ba kayo? Okay, so let's now declare our Bagusin open. Good luck po sa inyong lahat.